Hello, so today we discussed early human evolution and migration patterns, early human admixture with archaic humans, the genetics of living humans and what that can tell us about our ancestry, and the modern diversity of living humans in disparate parts of the world.
Is it me? Oh. Yeah, I think it was quite interesting when we were talking about like how when Homo sapiens evolved, we had advantages over other species like Neanderthals, and how even though our brains were smaller, we were more, I don't want to say more intelligent, but like we had other ways, like we could make more advanced tools, and like even though they were better suited to a more harsh climate, like they eventually lost out when it changed. So I think that was very interesting.
I thought it was interesting that there was like an early group of humans that used the same tools for the same. How long was it they lived together?
Homo erectus, 2 million years.
2 million years. It's like a really long time to not change anything at all. So they must have not needed to. And then I also thought it was interesting when you go into the fact that it's difficult to actually define species, which when you come to uni, you're told like there is a definition. And then you actually start putting it into a different context and you think you don't know how to define it anymore. So I thought that was interesting as well.
I'll be honest, my main interest points were summarised there. But maybe perhaps the part like Homo florensis has a kind of the pygmy kind of side of it.
It's good to know how Dolbergensis lives on in us. That's touching.
I thought that what was really interesting is sort of all the modern ways of now collecting, sort of giving someone like a drop of your blood and they can tell you, okay, you're 5% this, you're 10% German, 10% that, and then sort of how useful is that actually for us to know what can we make of that, and also what does that mean for our society, that we have all this technology available, what are sort of the rules we should put on it, or the best ways to use it for medication, but also for educating people, what are the things we have to do to make the best use out of this in our society. So lots of good questions tonight.